I shall commence with the administration of the first oath, which is the oath of allegiance of the Deputy President. Kindly repeat after me. I assume as Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya.
I assume as Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya.
Do swear.
Do swear.
That I will be faithful.
That I will be faithful.
And bear true allegiance to the Republic of Kenya.
And bear true allegiance to the Republic of Kenya.
That I will obey.
That I will obey.
Preserve.
Preserve.
Protect.
Protect.
And defend this Constitution of Kenya.
And defend this Constitution of Kenya.
As by law established.
As by law established.
And all other laws of the Republic.
And all other laws of the Republic.
And that I will protect.
That I will protect
and uphold
the
sovereignty,
integrity,
and dignity of the people of Kenya.
And dignity of the people of Kenya.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Mr. Deputy President Designate, I shall now administer the oath of due execution of office for the Deputy President. Kindly repeat after me. I,
Kithure Kindiki,
do swear that I will always truly and diligently serve the people of Kenya and the Republic of Kenya in the office of the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya. That I will diligently discharge my duties and perform my functions in the said office to the best of my judgment. That I will at all times when so required faithfully and truly give my counsel and advice to the President of the Republic of Kenya. That I will do justice to all without fear. Favor, affection, or ill will. And that I will not directly or indirectly reveal such matters as shall come to my knowledge in the discharge of my duties and committed to my secrecy. So help me God.
So help me God.
Having taken the oath of office. Having taken the two oaths of office, His Excellency the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya is now proceeding to the ceremonial table to append his signature to the two oaths. That is the oath of allegiance and the oath of execution of office of the Deputy President. The Deputy President will be guided on signing the two oaths by the Attorney General. His Excellency, the Deputy President,